Hey love bugs, welcome or welcome back. If you're tuning in for the first time, I'm Ashley Bedeck. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today I've teamed up with Megalook and they sent me over this beautiful red wine 18-inch straight pre-everything wig. She has a nice snug glueless fit. She's a closure, so she's going to be easy to install as well as keep on and off. And look at that gorgeous sleek, beautiful, bouncy body girl. Now I don't know what your plans are for the holidays, even though we're almost done with the holidays, which is crazy in itself. But if you're planning on hitting the living room, I think this is a great option. You guys know the reds, the burgundies, the wine colors have definitely been on trend this season. So this is the perfect one to pull out and just give a clean, sleek look, but add a little bit of color and fun. Of course, I have the details, including a direct link to this beautiful girl down below. But if you want to see how we got the look, the style, all the details, let's get started. Okay, love bugs, I'm looking pretty in pink. I got my little pink H&M sweatsuit on, and we are going for a little 99J. I felt like I was doing a bob, but 18 inches technically is not a bob. It's much longer, but this is our beauty here, so let's get into it. So this beautiful, oh no, this is not 99J. Look at this beautiful red. It's like a black cherry red. Wow. And it's like nice and full. This is gonna be fire. So this is the wig and how it comes straight out of the box. I know that white paper is kind of blinding. Look at that pre-everything closure wig. You have your pre-bleach knots, pre-plucked hairline, and then the pre-cut lace. And then of course you have that beautiful scallop cut. She said as a center part, Friday is the sneaker ball, aka just like the winter gala for my girls dance studio. Now I'm not going to be doing this color for the gala. This here, because it's just so simple, sleek. This is the definition of bust down middle part, and it's going to be so snatched. This one here would be so fire if I was bold enough to pull this color off for the gala, but I do kind of want to keep it classic as far as color, so I may not pick this one, but this also can be the perfect Mrs. Claus Christmas wig. So let's just see. Oh, and we do have our adjustable elastic band. You do have a comb in the back, and then no additional combs, no additional straps. This is what the nape looks like. So now let's go ahead and put her on. Okay, what is given? Oh, she feels so soft to the touch. Let's see, I have a brush right here. Okay, look at that static in there. It gives like fresh press. It's nice and soft, so it gives like really nicely like deep conditioned. It's nice and soft and silky. So soft that it has like that static. So we might have to do a little bit of oil in the hair. Not oil, but more so serum to kind of get the static gone so it can just stay sleek without the static. Look at that. It's gonna give bust down goddess. For real. Let's see what she looks like from the back. This is what she looks like from the back and from the side and from the front. Also, here's a look at the hairline. Of course, we're gonna tint that lace really nicely. Ooh, this is gonna be so pretty. So let's just go ahead and get to it, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and pull the hairline back. And she has a nice weight to her. She's not heavy, but like she's nice and full, so it's not like skimpy or sparse by any means. As far as the hairline goes, I don't want to do too much, but I will add a little bit of spray for melting purposes, and you just literally slide the wig back. And she has a nice good fit to her, but this is going to help it to fit really snug. You just stop that up in there. You see how that warmed that up a little bit? I like to take and just dab across to make the hairline look a little bit more realistic to me. I definitely want to add some baby hair and switch up or straighten out the parting. We'll do the parting after we do the hairline. And I kind of don't want to do baby hair, but I kind of want to do like edges. So let's just dry the hairline first. Okay, let's go ahead and conceal or tint the lace. Okay, so I pulled out some baby hair. I'm gonna do like little micro baby hair just because I want to camouflage the hairline up a little bit, and then we will see what's next. Okay, let's see if they gave us a melt belt. Oh, looks like they did, because I really want to melt the hairline down just a little bit. And it matches. I didn't even realize. I wasn't even planning that, but it's a vibe. We're going for the pink thing today. Okay, let's do the dynamic duo. Now today I was going to, since this is straight hair, I would prefer to use something like the Brigio's wax stick or sleek stick, or even the edge booster, which I feel like these are less like oily. But because this one has some static to it, we're gonna go with the OG, which is the Care and hoping that some of the oils from this will help us to tame the static. And a great thing to do is always to make sure that your parting is straight, and sometimes you will get a little extra parting. So let's see if we have a little extra parting with this one. Okay, it wasn't like a whole groundbreaking amount of extra parting, but there was just a little bit, like 1/4 of an inch. So I went ahead and straightened it out to the best of my ability. Now let's go ahead and heat this baby up. This is our electric hot comb. We're gonna do it on the 500-degree setting, and we're gonna go ahead and just press it out and get it super snatched. Okay, so I went to get packages. None of them are mine. Boo. Look at that. Look at that. I went ahead and added the wax stick before I turned the camera off, I think. Yeah, I did. Let's go ahead and dynamic duo it up, and then hopefully we are almost done. Okay, I'm watching vlogs. Let's take off the melt belt. What's it giving? I almost want to remove the baby hair, even though it's already done. So I kept a little something right here to act as like a beard to cover up the fact that this is a closure. And I kind of pushed the rest of it back. Now I'm going to take a powder. Yeah, it looks better with no baby hair. You just need a little something to camo the hairline, but you don't really need baby hair, especially because it's like a sleek bob, if you will. It's not a bob. Why do I keep saying that? It's not a bob. 18 inches is never a bob, but it gives that sleek bob vibe, I guess you can say. But it's just a sleek 18-inch. Love it, girl. And to me, it's okay if a little bit of the flyaways are there, like baby hair, because I kind of like it. Because I like having something there to kind of camouflage, so it's not just giving forehead, and it just gives a little bit of personality. But look at how beautiful this one is. It's absolutely gorgeous. Very fitting for the season and the holidays. And then also the color is also on trend, just so happens. I love this. And even when we get to like the spring and the summer, you guys know I'm a year-round girl when it comes to my wigs. I feel like you're gonna be able to pop her out with your Daisy Dukes and a little pheasant top, and she's still gonna be fire, right? Absolutely gorge. Perfect. And I think we got rid of some of the flyaways, so we don't have to put any oil. I just don't want to make it way down. More specifically, I don't want it to be like streaky. So this here is where we're gonna end the road with this cutie, I think, for now. So as we know, this one came from Megalook. Look at their beauty. Okay, so as we know, this one came from Megalook, and they're back. Okay, so as we know, this one came from Megalook. Love the big box, and it's like that beautiful beautiful purple. The Megalook logo is so cute. It just gives like hippie vibes. I really like it. And then it says, be yourself, be mega. Megalook. And then this is the inside. Again, it gives like that beautiful like psychedelic hippie vibe. This one here is top quality guarantee, eco-friendly beauty, 100% real virgin human hair, handmade with love, L-O-V-E. And then here is the dust bag. It is purple with the logo and it matches really nicely. Inside you do get your nice little goodie bag. And inside we got our HD wig caps. We got some cute little lashes. Got a baby hairbrush in the color hot pink. And then we got this cute little seashell style hair clip. It's like a cute little bobby pin, or hairpin rather. Super cute. And then of course we got the melt belt, which we used in our video today. And that is pretty much it, love bugs. I'm feeling like a pretty princess in this one. Super beautiful, super with the vibes. Of course I have all the details, including a direct link down below. Down below, down below, down below. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share with your friends. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches.